Hey Divinity Squad, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know, I've always been really self-conscious about my edges. I've always suffered from bald edges or traction alopecia, and anytime I try to grow it back, something happens that makes it disappear. So at a particular time, I was trying to get my hair to be long and healthy, but I forgot that I have weak edges. However, when I realized that I have weak edges and I'm prone to traction alopecia more than the average person, I decided to do some things. And one of those things is what I'm going to show you. I incorporated onion juice therapy, and this I incorporated onion juice therapy, and one of the onion juice treatment is what I'm showing you, and it's called onion juice hair growth serum. In this serum, I'm using flaxseed. Flaxseed contains vitamin B's and E and some other proteins that help to moisturize, strengthen the hair, and also helps to protect the hair. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. So first we need to get a gel from the flaxseed. So I place 1/3 of a cup of flaxseed into a pot. I add one I add 1 cup and 1/3 cup of water to the flaxseed. After shaking it to loosen up the flaxseed, I place it over low to medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. I just allow it to boil a little bit. And this is the result after leaving it for 10 minutes and allowing it to cool. Then I use a cheesecloth to get the gel. So by placing the one flaxseed in the cheesecloth and squeezing it, I'm able to get the gel. Be very careful when you are squeezing this cheese bag, because even though it looks easy, it was really hot. It looks that I'm not having any pain, but it was really hot because you have to squeeze it out when it's a bit warm. If you leave it to be too cool, you may not be able to squeeze as much as you can. After getting as much gel as you can, you set it aside to cool. The next thing I'm using is onions. Onion is said to be able to help prevent and treat baldness or alopecia. It's said to help stimulate blood circulation to the hair follicles and thereby allowing the hair follicles to have enough nutrient to be able to grow healthy. It is said to help minimize hair thinning and breakage, and it's also said to help regrow bald patches fast. So to make this onion juice, I simply peel and wash 2 medium onions, grate with a vegetable grater, then strain with either a cheesecloth or a sieve. You can also blend. Just add the onions and water to a blender and continue the squeezing or straining. So to make this, you need another mixing bowl. So you add 4 tablespoons of the freshly prepared onion juice to the mixing bowl. Then you add your cool flaxseed gel. I added about 3 and maybe a tiny bit tablespoons of the flaxseed gel to the onion juice. Mix the 2 ingredients together for a couple of seconds or minutes till everything is incorporated. Then we add another ingredient. This is an onion fast hair growth oil. It's infused with the goodness of onion. This oil, it's something you can use every day or every other day to seal in the moisture and to help stimulate fast regrowth of bald edges. It doesn't have as much pungent smell as compared to other onion juice based recipes. If you've been watching my channel, you will know about that. If you want to know how to prepare this, please check the description box. I will put a link to that video. Just add 1 tablespoon to the flaxseed and onion juice. Then I'm using castor oil. Castor oil is packed with omega fatty acid. It is said to help stimulate fast hair growth. It's said to help regrow bald spots fast. And adding 1 tablespoon of the castor oil. I'm also adding an essential oil. I'm using rosemary essential oil, which is said to help stimulate the root of the hair follicles and help improve hair growth. A study was said to have compared it to minoxidil and found that it gives similar results with less side effects. So I'm adding 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. You can add any essential oil that you like that helps with hair growth. Mix all the ingredients together for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then you have your onion juice hair regrowth serum that is great in helping to treat hair loss. It's great in helping to regrow bald edges. It is great in helping to reduce dandruff, itchiness, and also with scalp inflammation. So for easy application, I placed it in a bottle, and this hair regrowth serum can be used once a week for effective results. It is best to use a freshly prepared onion juice hair regrowth serum for bald edges. So I normally divide my hair into 4 sections. This helps to make sure that I can apply all the treatment to my hair without having any issues. Yes, I'm breaking out. So I place a small amount of the regrowth serum in my hand, and you can see that it's a bit sticky because of the gel, and I apply it from the roots to the ends of my hair. Never ever forget the ends of your hair. It's the weakest part of your hair. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you like what you are watching. So I continue to apply the regrowth serum to my hair and make sure that every strand of my hair is coated with the regrowth serum, and then I place my hair in a twist. So I repeat the same process or procedure to all the hair section to make sure that my hair has all the goodness of the onion juice hair regrowth serum. So I've applied to the serum to the half of my hair, and I decided to do the remaining half off camera. So now every part of my hair is covered with the hair growth serum. I'm going to cover it with a shower cap. You can use a plastic bag. I covered it with a shower cap. I used 2 shower caps and I left it on for 30 minutes. You can leave it on for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then after leaving it on for 30 minutes, I rinsed it off with warm water. And that is my hair after rinsing it off. Regular use of this hair regrowth serum will help to regrow bald edges. After rinsing it off with water, please follow up with a mild shampoo and conditioner and style. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.